Hey babes, so to start off this look, I'm going to be taking that orange shade right there and I'm going to be placing it on my crease. Now I'm taking the darker shade and I'm going to be placing it on top of the first shade that I placed. Now I'm going to be taking that brown shade and I'm going to be placing it in the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to be taking that red orange and I'm going to be placing that shade on my lid. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter glue and the glitter from GRWM Cosmetics named Fleeky and I'm going to be making a glitter liner on my crease. Okay guys, so I'm going to take a little bit of your time and I'm going to be talking about the Glam Queen Cosmetics eyelashes. I got this in the mail. Obviously I bought it with my money, and let me take them out of the plastic. These are the Wow Lash. These little cuties right here. I'm going to be placing it for the first time, so this is kind of a like, oh, I did my eye makeup and now I'm trying this eyelashes type of situation. I got these ones because they look really long and full in the picture and I wasn't wrong. So I'm just going to be placing the eyelashes out of camera and I'll be right back and I'll tell you what I think of them. Okay, these lashes are so cute. I'm going to scoot you guys up close so you guys can see the look and the lashes as well. I really like how they look. They look super pretty, and just like, these lashes are just how I like them, and only for $3, like. And also supporting like Instagram companies is like my thing, so I really like this and I'm happy. And by the way, these are the Wild Lash. I'm going to be linking their Instagram and their website down below so you guys can go and get your hands on them. No, I don't have a discount code. No, I don't need one because this is just pure happiness, because I really like how these eyelashes look. So now I'm going to be doing the rest of my face, and also I got a liquid lipstick from them, so I'm going to be putting it on and telling you guys how I feel about it as well. And though their liquid lipsticks are only $10, which I think is a great price because most of liquid lipsticks are $10 plus. And yeah,
let's get my face started.
I already hydrated my face because my face has been really dry. So now I'm going to be taking the Milani Prime Shield in mattifying and pore minimizing. So I'm just gonna place it right here because it's just to minimize my pores. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Correct and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in warm beige. Today I'm going to be using a brush to blend out my... I don't really like blending my foundation with brushes, so you guys will notice that I'll just pick the sponge over the brush any day. Now, so for what's gonna do powder for concealer, I'm going to be using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20.
Blending sponge.
Now for powder, I'm going to be using the Fit Me loose setting powder in the shade 20. I'm just going to put this all over my face. I don't like using this powder for baking. I don't use it for baking. I don't like it for baking. I just take a big brush and just put it all over my face. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Park Avenue Princess bronzer from CHIT Cosmetics. I'm going to be taking this big fan brush and I'm just going to bronze up my cheekbone. Well, no cheekbones, under the cheekbones where you put your contour on and bronzer. Now for blush, I'm going to be using the NYX Ombre blush in New to Me. This is like literally my favorite blush. I don't know if you guys have seen videos before this one, you guys will notice that this is my favorite blush, and I use this. I'm going to be using this angled brush. Now for setting spray, because I don't have my Milani setting spray anymore, I have to buy a new one. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish setting spray. If you guys know me, I love using eyeshadows as highlighter. I'm going back to the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking this shade right here and I'm going to be placing it all over where highlighter goes. Okay, going back to the palette, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and I'm going to be placing that on the under eye, waterline, whatever you, not the waterline, just the under eye. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be trying out the Glam Queen Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade 005. The lipstick is not dry. I love how it looks. It's really pretty. I really enjoy it. So guys, this is the finished look, and I really love the lashes. I really love the lipstick. As I said, I'm going to be linking their Instagram and their website down below, so you guys go and support this beautiful brand. When I got the package and I saw like the 2 items in here, I was like, this is so cute. Like, it was so cute, all gold, and it really goes with their theme. And their theme is queen, that all women are queens, and I think that is totally true, and I definitely go with that theme. And I would just wanted to take a moment and tell all the girls out there that you all are beautiful, and that don't let anyone, especially boys, stomp on you. I've been hurt lots of times, and I've gotten back up, because even though I don't believe in fairy tales, I don't believe in prince and princess situation, there will come someone into your life that's going to make you happy forever and will die with you and be old together. So never give up on anything. Love, friendships, none of those things. And I just woke up today very inspirational, and I just wanted to get that message out there. So yeah, I'm going to finish this video now. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below any inspirational quote that you guys have and you want to share with me. And yeah, I'm going to leave and take some pictures of this look, because this look is totally bomb and I really love the lipstick. So yeah, now I'm going to be leaving. I love you guys. Bye bye.